This is the person going to handle the register. He will be dressed like that. And when he comes with the register in a common place like a tree, he first shows them the register. He reads, district is Mbarara City. Constituency is this. Sub-county is this. Ruharo Ward, Mbarara High School. Total number 551. So when we start the inside, summary of membership, you now summarize. Who are these members? 18 years to 30. You summarize and put it. Now, if you see this village, we have some names already. Now, these people will still come to confirm their names. Because what do we want in the register? We want name, surname, the other names, sex, date of birth. Now, when we finish the registration, and the chairman has said, I've finished the 5 days, they will now draw a line where they ended, and all of them sign, closing the register. So that if someone comes to add names here, we say, but the register was already what? This very register will come back for the next.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.